3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, May 13th, 2018. I hope you're having a good weekend. It's the beginning of a new week, and here we go. First of all, how much does Litecoin pay me? Litecoin Foundation, how much do they pay me? And second, a brief look at the Litecoin charts, namely this huge triangle, this breakout possibly that we had. Let's talk about these two things. Number one, YouTube, I got these comments, and this isn't the first time, and that's why I wanted to cover this. Let's look at it. Little thread on yesterday's video. GD says, I'm guessing that Dan is not pumping Litecoin for free. No one does anything for free this day and age. Mr. Mark says, GD, the majority of people who are at the Litecoin Foundation are volunteers and don't get paid. They do it because they believe in it and want to help it succeed. GD says, Mr. Mark, how do we really know that? How do we know that the people working in the Litecoin Foundation, including Dan, are not being paid in Litecoin? GD continues, Mr. Mark, exactly my point. Why else would Dan pump Litecoin so hard? Do I pump Litecoin? I talk about Litecoin a lot. I don't think I pump it, though. There's obviously an incentive for him to do so, but to say that Dan pumps Litecoin out of love would be completely foolish. That's true. I don't talk about Litecoin out of love. Like I said, no one does anything for free. You would be completely naive to believe otherwise in this day and age. But I do these videos for free, GD. I do. To help answer that story, I'm going to tell you right now how much Litecoin Foundation pays me. Let's take a look at this clip.
Cero. Repeat after me. Cero. Good. C-E-R-O.
Cero. Es cero. Zero. Nothing. Nada. Litecoin Foundation does not pay me anything to do these videos about Litecoin. And I want to illustrate this perfectly with a Medium article posted by David Schwartz. Really good one. Link in the description. Why crypto capitulation is not an option. A former retail investor's perspective. Let's go over to it. He says in part of the article, I started out focused almost solely on making money when I entered into crypto. And so did I. But over time and through educating myself, I realized the tech behind it didn't really need my monetary aspirations to succeed. Same here. And that's my story. I definitely encourage you to read this article, but that sums it up really well. I started in crypto for the money, which I did. That's me. And at the same time, I was running a recruiting firm, and I still am, mainly in fintech, recruiting engineers, executives, CTOs. And what happened was I started investing in crypto. I started learning about the technology behind crypto. I started learning about the blockchain. And I'm like, wow. And I started seeing all these startups in the space. And I shifted pretty much all of my business, pretty much, in the recruiting space to crypto and the blockchain. And here I am now. And these videos that you see on YouTube have nothing to do with really any monetary gain because these are for free. Litecoin is just my number one. And I look at Litecoin, I look at my investment in Litecoin since it's open source, since it's decentralized. I look at my investment as just another business. I've been running business like my whole life as an adult, basically. And I look at this as an investment. And so if you see me doing things and talking about it, whether it's on Twitter, on YouTube, please realize, in startup world, you are working for free. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a business owner and you're starting up, you're pretty much working for free. And you're putting a bunch of time, you're putting a bunch of effort, you're putting a bunch of passion into a project for free with no guarantee of return. So yes, I invested money into crypto, and yes, I'm investing my time, my passion, my energy, my creativeness into this YouTube channel for Litecoin, and it's for free. And it's the same concept. We talk about it all the time, the VC mentality, venture capital mentality. You're in early, there's no guarantee of payoff, but you know what? I need a break from my day as a recruiting person, talking to engineers all day, recruiting CTOs, talking about crypto all day. I need a break to get creative, to have some fun. That's what this YouTube is for, GD. I don't get paid by anybody to do this. So that's that. let's jump in and let's talk about Litecoin. Real quick, it's Sunday night. Check out this symmetrical triangle formation. There it is. It's basically a continued uptrend, a confirmed uptrend with the breakout. There it is, breakout. But notice how even on this chart, look at the wick touching below the bottom of the triangle, but still a continued breakout. I want to talk about that because I don't know if I did a good enough job in as we're tracking this continuation pattern, this triangle. I got a comment basically being like, hey Dan, we broke the top of the triangle. Where's the breakout? That was the breakout. And when we say breakout, we're not looking for a moonshot to $500. We're looking for a confirmation of this long-term uptrend, which, you know, you can see if you zoom out on the chart. Just a confirmation of this uptrend. That's what we're trying to confirm. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for signs of that. And breaking the top of the triangle is a sign of that. Obviously, we talk about the revisit. I'm looking at my camera. My battery's about to go, so I might have to edit and record the rest with my phone or something. But we looked for the revisit to the top of the triangle. We got it. We're here now, and we're tracking Litecoin. That's what we're doing right now, and we're going to continue doing that. We can even go to the 4 hour, and we can continue doing that on the 4 hour. So right now we need to break this 150, which would be a break back above the triangle. We obviously came down a little bit, which doesn't mean anything. I said I think, was it yesterday's video or 2 or 3 days ago, the only time that I would be concerned, and I think you should be concerned, is if we break this previous low in the triangle. However, right now, I think Litecoin's looking extremely healthy. Even on the daily, if you look at the daily right now, how oversold we've been, and the momentum right now in Litecoin heading back up, we have a long way to go in terms of a breakout, a real breakout, where we're actually talking about 250. So right now, Litecoin looks very healthy to me, and I want to throw that out there. But I thought it was very important just to kind of touch on this triangle. We're not looking for when we break out of the triangle, we're not going right to the moon. I think I did say that in another video, but it's a confirmation that this continued uptrend will continue. So that's kind of where we are right now in Litecoin. I didn't want to spend too much time today in a video. It's Sunday night. I have things I need to do. I just want to relax. Got a busy week ahead. I really do appreciate all of you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below on what you think in terms of the market right now and Litecoin and what it's doing. I'm extremely bullish right now. I really am. But I'm curious of your thoughts. And I might even put a pinned comment. Are you bullish? Press 1. Comment 1. Are you bearish? Comment 2. I want to know. And hopefully we can get some comments. But appreciate all of you. I hope you have a great week this week. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video, and God bless.